What is up, MotoBros and girls? Welcome back to another video. Today we're on the 2025 Sport Chief, Indian Sport Chief. This one seems a little more my style. You got your little digital gauge, RPM gauge, gear indicator, fuel gauge, RPM, compass, odometer, degrees. This one's a bit more stepped up than the last one, so we'll see what this one's all about and have some fun. It's got some good sound to it. I dig it. Here we go. Oh yeah, right off the bat, this one feels a bit nicer. I like this one. Way more power, it seems like, torquier. A bit cleaner, you know, has more amenities too. You know, you have a pretty cool gauge cluster here with all the stuff that you realistically want. Oh, yeah, she torquey. Sounds good, plenty of power. Oh, this is more my style, more up my alley. Oh yeah, I like this one. So I'll go ahead and throw up the specs for you guys. It's actually pretty cool. They have them listed on most of the bikes. Not the last one I rode, but they have it on this one. So I'll go ahead and pop that up for you guys. Actually, you can see it. All that right there. Don't want to get hit with weeds. Normally courteous people stop when people go by, but I guess not him. On people go. I keep thinking this thing dies and idle. It's just super quiet. But yeah, guys, if there's anything specific that you guys would like to see, you know, you want me to review, let me know. Put it in the comments down below and I'll see what I can do. I'd love to, you know, if there's something you guys are, you know, in the market for, you're looking at, you know, I'd love to, you know, reach out and see if I could test one out to, you know, help you guys out. Yeah, and I've bought a few bikes, so I kind of know, you know, what it's like and how difficult it can be to make a decision, especially when you don't have any idea what it feels like, what the power's like. At the end of the day, you know, the numbers are just numbers. How it feels, you know, weight, power ratio, all that stuff, braking, you know, that stuff you only know when you actually ride. So I'd love to do that for you guys, so let me know. Wouldn't be me if I didn't neutral drop. I have a bad habit of doing that. This thing like chirps every time you shift it. That makes me smile. You know, the one bad thing about test riding bikes is it makes you really want one. There's too many awesome bikes. Can't afford them all. Second neutral drop. I'm gonna have to put up a counter, man. A neutral drop so many damn times. So far I really like this one. The next one's gonna be pretty cool. It's gonna be with the old ball and chain, so stay tuned for that one. Hopefully get some pretty dope footage for you guys too. So sick. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, sorry guys, I'm like in motorcycle heaven right now. Your boy will literally ride anything, man. With wheels and a motor, man, I'm down. I love all bikes. Whee! See, I mean, this is the perfect example because the first bike we rode felt really nice, good power delivery. It was a good bike. It was, you know, really perfect, especially for someone like, you know, just I don't want to say like a new rider, but you know, just someone that, you know, just in it for cruising, you know, whatever. You know, great power delivery, just, you know, great handling bike, just really awesome. And then this bike to me is more, you know, for advanced riders in a way that want to go a bit faster, have a bit more fun, you know, live a little dangerous, you know what I mean? This has, you know, just way more power delivery. I'm gonna have to put up. Sounds freaking amazing. But see, that's the thing, like, how would you know? Other than your little spec sheet, you know, that you look at, you know, this guy right here. Yeah, you know, that's cool, but like, most people don't know what that feels like. You know, you have to be on the bike, you gotta ride it, you gotta feel it, you know? So, I don't know. Again, I guess I could say the same thing about, like, you know, my video. You know, obviously you can't feel it, so it's still just a video, but I feel like I can provide a bit of information more so, you know, than just walking into a dealer and saying, hey, what do you got? You know, at least if you watch this video on, you know, the bike, you're like, okay, so he says, you know, this one's a little bit more powerful than this one, and, you know, maybe this one handles a bit better than that one, and you can kind of piece it together. That's it. I don't know. It's just, I'm really passionate about riding, and, you know, I love pretty much all people. I feel like I wish that every person could just feel it at least once, you know, have that opportunity, because it is just such a great thing, you know. So if I can help people, if I can aid them in, you know, their decision making or getting them into the sport, then I'm all for that, you know? In my opinion, you know, I'm already here, I'm doing it, why not educate if I can, or bring insight, or, you know, more information to these bikes than, you know, you read up on the internet, you know, because again, like, all the specs that you look up are, you know, they're all manufacturer specs, or, you know, but to actually get something from a non, you know, biased person that's gonna kind of be straight with you, you know, there's no advantage for me to push any of these bikes or to try and sell you on any of them. You know, I literally just want to help, you know, people trying to get into it. You know, there's so many different bikes to choose from. There's so many different categories, you know. Maybe you don't know what you want. Maybe you're in between, you know. Do I want a sport bike? You know, I want a hyper naked. Do I want a, you know, a cruiser? Do I want a Harley? Do I want an Indian? You know, whatever. But, and if you guys have any questions about any of this stuff, just let me know. I'll do my best to answer it. If I don't know the answer, I'll figure it out for you. pretty sure that's like 4 or 5 neutral drops already. I guess I probably shouldn't be shifting it like my MT-09 either. Time for the freeway. So just like the last one, very comfortable, very easy to maneuver. You know, this one you got a little bit of wind protection, which is always nice. Pretty good. Clutch lever vibrates a bit. A little annoying, but probably just needs to be tightened up. Yeah, she's torquey, lots of fun. Yeah, I definitely like this one a bit more than the other one. I don't have to worry about running out of fuel on this one. Makes it a bit more relaxing. Oh, is that where they're See, this is what I'm after, man. Just something to cruise on, nice, relaxed, comfortable. Now I just got to determine, do I want a Harley or do I want an Indian? What do you guys think? Are you guys team Harley, team Indian, team other? Let me know. Oh shit! This thing's got all kinds of information. Current ride time. Oh man, this is good. You got your trip. I didn't even, guys, I'm a noob. I didn't see any of that. That's dope. Come on, I want to see what else you got. You even got GPS on this bee. That's crazy. Where's all this? Gauges, bike, ride, music. What? Phone? Guys, that's insane. That's got to be like a Bluetooth connection or something. Oh, they just strapped the key fob to it. Okay, so that's definitely one thing to note. You got all this useful information just at your fingertips, and I got gloves on, and you know, it worked no problem, so that's pretty cool. And I'm assuming, like, I don't know, it hooks up to, you know, Bluetooth through like maybe Ricardo or Senna or I don't know, some shit, because they ain't got no speakers on it. That's still pretty cool though, that you can have, you know, a small form bike like this versus, you know, like the Road Glide, Street Glide, or Indian, the Roadmaster, and I think Pursuit, which intent might be something we're riding soon. But so far, let me know what you guys like more, this one or the last one. What was the last one? It was I wasn't supposed to ride that one. I just jumped on it. It was oh, it was the Bobber, the Scout Bobber, and then this is the Sport Chief. That's right. Scout Bobber. You like the Scout Bobber, which was the first one, or you like the Sport Chief, which is this one? I'll have to try and get some footy of this too for you guys. This one has a really badass metallic, like brown paint scheme. It's really sick. I'll be testing out some more Harleys for you guys too coming up. So I don't know. We'll have to compare. If there's a specific Harley you guys want to see, let me know. I'll see what I can make happen. Quaid or become some pretty good friends, so I'm sure if the people want something, you know, they'll be more than happy to make that happen. Alrighty, guys, we are also coming to a close on this video as well. Again, let me know which one you guys like so far, and I'm excited for you guys to see the next one, so we'll see you there. Peace.